200 million years ago, our planet was a paradise of ancient forests and thriving life. The atmosphere maintained a delicate balance, with CO2 levels allowing vast vegetation to flourish in harmony for eons. Earth breathed steadily, cycles of carbon absorption and release, keeping the climate stable. Then, Homo sapiens entered the scene. Hundreds of thousands of years ago, we discovered fire, a gift that warmed our caves, cooked our food, and protected us from the wild. We learned to harness it, shaping tools and building civilizations. Fire became the spark of progress. But that same mastery of flame set us on a fateful path. Over millennia, we scaled it massively, from wood fires to charcoal kilns, then to burning coal, oil, and gas unearthed from deep beneath the earth. The Industrial Revolution ignited this on a global scale, releasing billions of tons of ancient carbon trapped for millions of years. Since then, CO2 levels in our atmosphere surged dramatically. At the same time, we cleared vast forests to fuel this growth and feed expanding populations, destroying nature's greatest carbon sinks. But there is hope. Hope for a better future. For more than 20 years, international experts studied the family of Paulownia trees and developed a tree that combines the best characteristics and benefits of several Paulownia species. This tree has been named Green Phoenix because, like a phoenix, it regenerates after harvest, rising stronger from its own roots to produce multiple cycles of growth without replanting. The green phoenix has so many benefits, thus it is called the army knife of trees. Benefit 1. Fast growth. It grows up to 5 meters per year and reaches harvest maturity in as little as 4 to 7 years, far quicker than traditional hardwoods, delivering rapid returns and renewable resources. Benefit 2. Massive carbon sequestration. Each hectare absorbs 40 to 60 tons of CO2 annually, fighting climate change and generating valuable carbon credits for farmers. Benefit 3. Deforestation fighter. Its premium lightwood hardwood provides a sustainable timber alternative, reducing pressure on Zambia's precious natural forests. Benefit 4. Biochar production. Branches and residues convert into high-quality biochar, locking carbon in soil for centuries while improving fertility and water retention. Benefit 5. Biomass for renewable energy. Abundant fast-growing biomass yields clean biofuels and pellets, offering a sustainable energy source to replace fossil fuels. Benefit 6. Clean burning charcoal. The wood produces efficient low-smoke charcoal, a renewable alternative that reduces reliance on forest-clearing traditional charcoal in Zambia. Benefit 7. Wood for the tobacco industry. Its even burning properties make it ideal for sustainable tobacco curing bunds and processes, supporting Zambia's agriculture sector responsibly. Benefit 8. Soil regeneration and erosion control. Deep roots stabilize soil and prevent erosion on degraded lands, while nutrient-rich fallen leaves naturally enrich and restore fertility. Benefit 9. Phytoremediation power. It cleans contaminated soils by absorbing heavy metals and pollutants, healing land damaged by mining or poor practices. Benefit 10. High-value honey production. Fragrant spring blossoms attract bees, yielding up to 1,700 kg of premium organic honey per hectare when optimized with nectar-rich intercrops. Benefit 11. Versatile agroforestry shade. Broad canopies create ideal dappled shade for high-value intercrops like vanilla orchids and other crops, diversifying income and breaking the cycle of monoculture exhaustion. Benefit 12. Nutritious animal fodder. Protein-packed leaves, 14 to 24% crude protein, serve as excellent livestock feed, supporting integrated farming systems. Benefit 13. Rural job creation. From planting and maintenance to harvesting and processing, green phoenix plantations generate thousands of sustainable jobs in Zambian communities. Benefit 14. Minimal inputs, maximum resilience. Once established, green phoenix thrives with little water or fertilizer, adapting to various soils and climates, perfect for Zambia's conditions. Green phoenix doesn't just grow, it restores balance. It turns degraded land into thriving, profitable ecosystems, combats climate change, protects biodiversity, and builds resilient livelihoods. Starting right here in Zambia. Green Phoenix is the phoenix we need, rising first in Zambia to heal our planet. Become part of the solution today. Together, let's reclaim our future.